Good morning to our lecturer. We are the Section 5 Group 2 student of Mathematics of Management from the UTHM. Here got our group member. The question and purpose of this assignment is let our to find at least two ways and method to solve the volume of sphere, then compare the methods that we use. For the main of the assignment is find the difference of two types of formula which used to calculate the volume of sphere. As a result, we use the formula of integration and water displacement to compare and find the volume of the sphere in this assignment. We use the ruler, 4 cm of ball, pencil, water bottle with 600 ml, and bucket as the material of experiment to find the volume of sphere.
The path to the development of the integrate is a bridging one, where similar discoveries were made simultaneously by different people. This technique was first founded by Cavalieri, an Italian mathematician around the years 1635, and he was made a professor of mathematics at Bologna in the years 1629. The history of the technique that is currently known as integration began with attempts to find the area underneath curves. Integration is the act of combining into integrable. Water displacement, also called Archimedes displacement, is popular way now by the people to find and measure the volume. Archimedes is one of the most famous of all of the Greek mathematicians contributing to the development of math body. Certainly, he related that all bodies lose a little weight when paired in water, and the bigger their volume, the more weight they lose. He related that the density of a metal can be found from its weight and its weight lost in water. In this assignment, if we put an object into a container with water, we can know the volume of object by measuring the increase of water volume.
We use two calculations to calculate the volume of sphere. First, we use 4/3 pi r cubed to calculate the volume of sphere. Then we get the answer is 10/2/3 pi. Second formula is volume of sphere by integration. The formula is V equal to pi integrate negative r to r s squared dy, and we use this formula to calculate the volume of sphere, and we get the answer is 10/2/3 pi.
I will explain about a method of finding the volume of a sphere with minimal calculation is to use the water displacement method. The first one, we must fill a beaker or a bottle that have measuring with enough water to completely immerse the sphere in. The second one, we must record the baseline initial measurement. The third one, we drop the sphere in. The fourth one, record the final measurement. Lastly, we must subtract the initial volume from the final volume. It is the volume of the sphere, and the result is 40 centimeter cube.
In the conclusion, we learn about volume of sphere by integration formula. We learning about how to find radius of the sphere through the ruler, and we also use the method of water to find the volume. They have two formulas to calculate the volume of sphere. after we do the experiments, we consider to use which one method is the better. Finally, we choose the method of v equal pi 2 minus 2 4 minus y square dy. That's better. Because of the formula is easily than the 4 per 3 pi cube. Why we choose this formula? Because of the other one formula need to do two calculation, and the integrate operator is one of these neat symbol that can solve so many problems in mathematics.